So hi everyone. In this video, we are going to create a snake eating the contribution graph in GitHub. I did not find any video in YouTube about how to create this, so I am going to go through how this is how we are going to make this snake eating your contribution graph. So let us start. First, I will delete this because I have added this in. So now you can see that uh, there is no graph, so let us add it. So first you have to go to the same readme file which has the same name of your profile and your username. Then you can then you have to then we have to create some files, add files, create files. So the name should be dot github slash then workflows slash, and then you have to give create a .yml file. So I'm going to create main.yml file. Okay. Once I have created this main.yml file, then you have to add some code. And yeah, I researched some how to make this and spent 2 hours on this. Then finally found a good documentation on how to add this. So if you want to refer this documentation, I have provided the link in the description. You can check out. So you have to copy this code, just copy and copy, paste it in, paste it here. Then just change your GitHub username. So my username is Narayan Bhavisetti. That's it. Nothing you have to do. Just you added this in main.yml file. Then commit the change. Commit. So you have created .yml file. Okay. Now go to the Actions tab here. Then it will automatically show generate snake option. Then click on generate snake. Since I have tried it before only, so that's why these builds are successful. So once you have clicked on generate snake, then run workflow. Then you have to click on run workflow. That's it. The build will start. The workflow has a workflow dispatch event triggered. So this will take some time to generate. So let's wait for some time. Once the build is successful, then you can proceed further. Otherwise, you have some issues with the code which you have added in .yml file. So check that out. If actions tab is not showing in your GitHub, then you have to make sure to create it or switch it on, something like that. Since this workflow event trigger, so this will create it. Then you can go once the it will show like this. Yeah, once there is a tick mark in this build folder, then you can go to your main code folder. Then you can click on main and output. Once you have clicked on output, then there will be two files, github.gif. Oh, it's created 11 seconds ago. So GitHub contribution grid.snake.gif and .svgs in your output branch. Okay, then you have to at last add a line of code in your GitHub, that is this this line gif snake gif. Copy this and edit your readme.md file and go to the last or where you want to add here. Let's suppose I have to add it here. Mm, snake eating my contribution graph, and then paste that code and enter your username. So my username is Narayan slash Narayan City. Okay. Then you can check it on preview. Once you have, yeah, see, this is the graph which shows it. Then commit changes. Okay. See, you can see this graph. So this is the video, a simple and short video. Thanks for watching.